Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn off or hide your active status and last seen on Facebook Messenger. This is a great privacy feature if you don't want people to know when you're online or when you last used the app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, direct your attention to the lower right corner of your Messenger screen. You'll notice a menu icon there, typically represented by 3 horizontal lines or a gear symbol depending on your version. Go ahead and click on this menu icon to reveal your options. This is your gateway to all the settings and customization features within Messenger. Once the menu opens, you'll see a list of different options available to you. Look for the one labeled Settings and click on it. This will take you into the main settings area where you can control various aspects of your Messenger experience, from notifications to privacy controls. The settings menu is where you'll find all the important toggles for managing how others interact with you on the platform. Now, within the settings menu, scroll through the options until you find Active Status. This is the specific setting that controls whether others can see when you're online and when you last used Messenger. Click on Active Status to access these privacy controls. This section is crucial for managing your visibility on the platform. After clicking on Active Status, you'll be taken to a new screen where you can see the option that says Show when you are active. This is the main toggle that determines whether your online status is visible to your contacts. When this setting is on, people can see a green dot next to your name indicating you're currently active, and they can also see when you were last online. Right beside this option, you'll notice a toggle button. This toggle is what controls your active status visibility. Simply click on this toggle button to turn it off. Once you do this, your active status will be hidden from everyone, meaning they won't be able to see when you're online or when you last used Messenger. This gives you complete privacy and allows you to use the app without broadcasting your availability. And that's it. You've successfully hidden your active status on Facebook Messenger, giving you more control over your privacy. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.